important message to Bush Lion. Share the video, let the video go viral, let the video go viral. They say community where truth not the community not the better. I can't see and say I do people, all our I do people. Where they foresee truth, they let the talk truth. Now maybe became what all of una know. New generation prophet attitude. If una the year which I talk, make una righteous. If una the year which I talk. Una righteous because na inside bus I dey go. Una no say every morning like this. Every morning like this I must come out. Una share this message. Anywhere Bush Lion dey, we say dey for whether America, whether na London, that Bush Lion, wey dey speak that big Oyibo, we say na Benin man, una go invite am come. And that solo, shine your eye husband, una go invite am come. They say the truth have to be said. Wetin make me come this morning. Una good morning, all my people. Happy weekend. I see one video yesterday. Una know say I tell una say anything when I see not good, I go dey tell una. I see one video this morning. I see when I wake up this morning. I see where Bush Lion dey talk. Nothing will not take him out talk. But me want to make I like this. I want to make understand something for this life. He saying a Bush Lion, he saying a pikin with the thought truth. Monica Tuari ambush. The time when Monica they do, where they cost man and woman. So they naked our brother, he naked our brother. You see there for Facebook till today. All of una know. This Bush Lion will talk say not see him. If they talk now, say J-boy, anybody when you see a picture for YouTube, you go block him. You go block him. You say you go America, you say you no go school, you say na law. If they see a J-boy picture for YouTube, you go block him. Me they ask you now, say you no see our brother nakedness for Monica YouTube, you never see him since 2 years. You don't block him, you don't block YouTube. No, no, say, una also na get sense, una also na the sabi talk. My father tell me say no be by go school, now they take the get sense. All of una the cover for Monica, The time when Monica they destroy man, they destroy woman. Una not see her, una blind. The one time when I do video, when I new come out, when Monica calls it, Papa calls it, Mama calls it, all the children. You do video, I know say na you. I don't want to reply if she's there. Bush Lion. I don't see, I can't tell up many people. This Bush Lion, so I want you to tell and say whether he know the sea. He say he go school, I know say he go come and go speak Oyibo. May come and make us speak Oyibo. I'll tell and say that I'll come follow and speak English. I'll come follow and talk English. You go know that and say I'll be in it when you graduate. I don't want to play your video the way you see. And many people don't see your video. Where they praise Monica for all the atrocity where Monica don't do. He go carry Papa Pikin. He go cause them. Now you're on a day. We talk to that woman for London. That's the logo. Now you're enough on a day. We talk to that woman for London. We say my husband go bring DNA test, CNA test. Say no be picking. When I wait to my buy ticket, you know, see they say what belong to Caesar to give down to Caesar. All our bonus years. When I go invite Bush Lion come. Umes. Guadara Meco. Quanto? Hasta final de mes, ¿eh?
Sí, un mes.
A final de mes.
Del 10 de abril al 9 de mayo.
Vale.
28.90 son.
Toma.
¿Sí?
When I do my bag, I want buy ticket. Those if I not buy now. They feel me for road now. I'll come pay big money. They say what belong to Caesar, give it to Caesar. Gracias. Hasta luego. So, as I talk on the go just now, I'm gonna share the video, may go viral. If not today, the first time when you come, this platform, I bet may press the notification bell. May press the I like your team, may press the following. You are all welcome. Now see why I come out this morning. I see my sweetheart, my queen. I see her yesterday when they talk to me. Lovely Ayiko Yame, my queen. I see when they talk to me yesterday, they talk to me, say when I rest for fight, one not fight again. One talk to anybody again. A person when I love, so from my bottom of my heart. Ayiko Yame, I love her from bottom of my heart. A person now, you know, say I mean they call them fire brigade. Now they call a lovely Ayiko Yame. When they do some videos yesterday, people come invite me go there. I can't see the way they talk to me. Really talk as a mature woman when it gets sense. The woman with the eye when I think they look and she's there. When me they call them fire brigade, a lovely Ayiko Yame. So the way they talk to me, I respect her. Say why not fight again, why not talk to anybody again. But anyway, I don't feel see truth, my love, my queen, Nibokun, Ayiko Yame. He said to me, "Mata, ni ete mata. Ewuna na ete mata. Nibokun nije, Ayiko Yame. Ewuna na ete mata. Ewu yade. So lovely Ayiko Yame. Egui, when you reply a bush lion. When you go one, ye school. Ya women on my level. Eke amudia de dana. I support me done. If we done, I support a woman yari as a video. Kinana temata. A temata. So now me I come this morning. I know what call Cosa, I know the Cosa. I see when the bush lion, that man waited for London, where they speak big go. I see him yesterday. Now this morning, as I get up this morning, I see him. As I see a video, I know quick me bath self. Now so I take wear clothes. If I say one bath because I wake late, town can't go now. So I take wear clothes. If I come bath, now maybe begin with the thought truth. So bush lion, all those years. When Monica they destroy man, they destroy woman. He carry man, husband and woman come out. Una go no, I don't want to make sure that woman name. He carry the come and say me they go do CNA test. Same not be the man, the woman born the picking for. Una not see Una not see bush lion. He carry our brother man like you. I see where you the present yesterday. Man like you carry our brother naked down. The video see there for YouTube till today. Bush lion. You see anybody when you see a J boy for a J boy. Anybody when you see him for a platform, you go blog, you go bring the YouTube down. You take out the matches. Bush lion. I want to make people understand. Say you are not a truthful man. If you can see all those for many years, you see all those things where Monica they do. And man like you, in nakedness, see for Monica YouTube today. You say you want to go block one YouTube. You know where? What do you know say you know do to person? What do you know say you know do to yourself? Not do one to person. Monica, actually don't destroy many men, don't destroy many women for this life. I want to go bush lion. Bush lion, I want to go. I do we do we my beg a man of boom. In a platform now, by now you know by name I do call. Then we see hundreds of people to bring that Monica has destroyed their life, that Monica has break their home. What are you saying, man? What are you saying, man? You thought you are a graduate. I thought you are a graduate. You educate in London. You go school in London. But I cannot see anything you are reasoning good. I want to make you understand something. You are a man like me. If you're following man, nakedness is being YouTube, in Monica YouTube, since 2 years, you did not see it. Now you are coming saying you will block anybody that put J-Boy in Facebook. Man, you have to behave as a man. You have to behave as a man. I'm just telling the truth. You cannot see anybody who can tell you the truth. Other one, they are talking lies. So you are not doing good things in the community, as you call yourself Bush Lion. You are not doing anything good in community. If people can testify, people are here now who can write very well. Make sure all those people's name that Monica had destroyed. If you know you can remember as a good follower, a good comedian watcher, all those people Monica had destroyed their name. If you can write it here, write it here. And Monica, you was here when Monica brought man and woman acts. It shows that it's going to do DNA tests. You were here. The same Monica said, he sleep or another man sleep with her, they go big go juju, they go swear. Who's one according now? Who's one according day now? Now so I want to put truth for the community. Now so I want to put truth for the community. Now so I want to behave, teach you picking good things. No man, I'm disappointed on many of you. I'm disappointed. If you people can come out now, people like Obaze can come out now. Monica is now my friend. And you come out, you are saying market woman, naira billion, market woman, naira billion, market woman, naira billion, Bush Lion. Person like us, even though they marry for family, the family do bad. We they tell the true good thing. We'll tell them. That's why we be new generation prophet attitude. No question when I come ask you, I not come curse you now. Question when me come ask you. The time we bring man like you, naked down, put on for YouTube till today, 2 years plus now, you see there for YouTube. What did you say? Do you block Monica YouTube? Bush Lion. Share the video, let the video go viral. I'm not fighting now. Now the video when it do, Bush Lion word when it come out for a match, now me can reply am. Yesterday I see the one where Abat do. I reply Abat with short video. If they are following man where they respect, they say that they are friends. I say market woman, 1 billion market woman. I see one where you mentioned yesterday where you come there, where you say Suzuki. I see when he come, all those one I be the worst women. All those one I be the worst women. We don't destroy their husband. Their husband dey for Red Cross. No, sorry. When they don't destroy men finish. Tafiana they do. Are you when you mentioned name yesterday? You say Suzuki. You know, she said the type of women where they follow the Wakana coward women. Women where they destroy community. Women where go see some man they progress, they want bring her down. Then you they follow. As illiterate as I am, illiterate when I be, I cannot mingle with that type of people. Susie, when you call in name yesterday, say you are welcome to my platform. Susie, me as a friend, me tell her myself. Na social media na go see her. That one a good woman. Okay, Monica, we carry following man like me, go put in naked for YouTube. That a good woman. Because they take your mouth, they talk. The time when Monica do that video, when I dey quarrel put today, when I dey put today till today. Now you be the first person who play video come out early morning. I don't want to answer you since then because you be man like me. But I don't see come answer you. And you have a question I can ask you. Be sincere in your heart. If you know you are a godly somebody, I know most of you people now, you people call yourself Christians, while we are traditional men. We are traditional men. Man, we don't pass 45 years. na traditional man wey come for Edo State. We the Edo know as a warrior. We know as a warriors. We the Edo men. We don't know as a stupid man. But the way you people are doing something, I'm very surprised today. If you can come and Bush Lion, you say, anybody will see that picture for a platform, will see J-Boy platform for a platform. The time when Monica, they cost another man picking. Where Monica come out, Monica, that's what the way come tell the whole world, say, one man, I don't know a name, I know a name on the right hand. Say no be born picking when he born, make them go do DNA. Una no see, huh? Oh, when they come talk, say J-Boy and that, I don't want to talk, I don't want to mention personally, because my mommy don't tell me yesterday, my love, my queen don't tell me, say, why not the talk again. So anything when I see like this, I don't get your phone number. I was supposed to call you, say, see. But I dey tell you, in a video call now for see you when you talk. Now I see from here talk to you. Bush Lion, not be so they tell repair community. I see and say, una, no truth don't come out for Benin land. Truth don't come out for Benin land. No man that say the truth again because of money. No woman that say the truth again. Why? Why are we selling our conscience? Why are we selling it because of money? Because of immaterial things? Why are we selling our conscience? Bush Lion, I want to make you understand something. The video you did yesterday, put the video set it in your table again and listen to yourself. And sit down and think back what Monica has done to people. You sit down in your dining room, you lie down in your bed and set your video that you did yesterday and listen to that video and go and cross-check Monica YouTube, go and cross-check all the old video that is there. You will see that this is rubbish. Bush Lion, that's for you. Solo, shine your eye, Osman, shiny, Osman. Shiny, Osman. They say they know they talk to Pikin, now Juju they kill him. Pikin, we know they learn. We saying to know. E no good. Now me illiterate, new generation prophet Atiti can't talk to you. You know, say I call you that day, I want to talk to you. That one where your wife, where you first born for you, can't bring. I'm not going to talk put. I'm not going to talk put. That one where woman will born for you, Angela, the matter when you bring, I'm not going to talk put. But when me can't tell you as a man, you know, see me so, if I come marry today, I marry woman today, the woman, fair girl husband, no amount of quarrel where they go quarrel, where me go put my mouth. I cannot do it. Because I don't know as they tell nobody, I don't know as they tell anybody. But you come out, you can't run your mouth. You know, say sister, I say I dey come for you, I can't talk to you. I see your video today where you take the reply people, They are trying to correct you. You are claiming that you are wise, you know more than everybody. You are a man like me. I'm a man like you. If you don't meet with woman, I dey marry woman, if I get husband today, I know they throw mats. If you do not get as their quarrel rich, I'll throw mats. But if the man can't throw mats, can't give me. If the man throw mats, can't give me. Maybe if he talking for outside, I hear, but he go your talking. He go come and he go plan for video, he go call me for phone. I'll tell the man, say whether the man is crazy, whether the man. But in your own, if your wife tell you, say this man, I go make sure a name for you, do mezedo. Say you no accept Pikin. You don't know why you no accept Pikin. As a man where you be solo, you're supposed to pick up a phone and make a call. You say you be and make a call, my friend. See, but you don't do that. You come on live video to come and be bragging. You come on live video to come and be bragging. and people are correcting you. You are still claiming rights. So my people, na very short video. My mama say why not dey fight again. My lovely, you know, see the way I dey talk so. But if I see the truth, no, I not say why not talk truth. Edo to the world, Mama Gladys, waiting for Italy. God go bless you. I see video where you do yesterday. Where they quarrel with a busy bay. You dey quarrel with my brother a busy bay, my friend a busy bay. I beg, Mama. Thank you very much. I see your appreciation, but Mama, wetin I want talk for here. I go call you. I don order for your number, Mama Gladys. Me with the busy bay with Andrew Mofama will call you today. If we not call you today, we'll call you tomorrow. Mama Gladys will wetin we'll talk for there. So my people, na very short video now I drop this morning. Make una share and make it viral. If not today be your first time of coming here, please not to forget to press the notification bell and press the I like your thing and press the following. Please rally me a favor to subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. So God will bless all of una for morning, He will bless una for evening. Now me una brother, una know say truth is very good to say. Truth, people wey know dey talk truth and not dey like am. Person wey no dey stand by the truth and not dey like am. If you like, you be man wey dey there, you be woman wey dey there, you dey write rubbish. God wey be all of us dey serve. He know say na the real truth na dey tell una the way man supposed to dey behave for life, the way woman supposed to dey behave for life. If una see the way most of our women dey misbehave for Europe, some of these women na dey talk and say before man with woman get me to understand the small before they get little quarrel. Now all those like the Suzu say wayahu, you know, come up for there because they don't fail. As all those women don't fail, they go like to fail all women. The time way that they tell una say all those sets they destroy women, we will not believe. All those sets that they destroy women, we will not believe. All of una don't see them now today. So what I can try to tell anyone when I talk for yeah way not good, make una drop and the one way good, make una take am. I beg more than the president, I like your thing, more than the president why they see am. Because una no say Bush Lion, na computer wizard. He say you go dey block all people, YouTube they go. He say if you see J-Boy video, you go dey block all YouTube. You know they the time wey Monica you carry man and woman come out for you this YouTube. He say that video see there for Monica YouTube. That video see there for Monica YouTube, Bush Lion. Where he say any man wey carry one woman come out in with your husband, say make they go do CNN test. He say make they go do CNN test, Bush Lion. You know they here. Why you not go block Monica YouTube? Bush Lion, owo ayenkere. He say na inside bush for come. Bush Lion say na inside bush for come. And that's why I know the see am. That's why that, as he come out for inside bush, so he come outside. He don't know the one way first dey for ground say they don't for do plenty now the time wey dey for inside bush. He don't know say the Monica don comot abomination for ground the time wey dey for inside bush. As he come out for inside bush now, he no come look far. He no go look far wetin Monica don do. He no come out for inside bush, he no come dey talk. Anybody picture J-Boy picture, he will block the YouTube. Any J-Boy YouTube, he will block am. Your man like you wey dem know for the whole world. Monica naked down, he put the picture for YouTube since 2 years. None of una dey talk for that matter. None of una dey tell am make go comot the picture. Una go say una dey talk truth for Benin with the winner doma winner. Winner the man only tear bog we na ye me we ni egi go ma go. My mommy, my sweet queen, lovely UK Amen. My fire brigade, where be fire brigade. You say why not the fight again? I too love that woman. If you not love her right from time, I don't fell in love with her right from time. 3 people now I fell in love with for Facebook. But for today, he don't tell me say why not fight again. I go respect her as a mother. Woman wey don dey born at all, wey know how to talk to somebody, wey know how to approach somebody. Na my mama. Love re ito ya re iye won yo. Bush Lion. Na small videos now I say I can't give you, now I say I can't draw for you. Una no waiting. Una no waiting. If una want one, I know they talk to anybody. I just do. I just have to be quiet. Like I want to. I just have to be quiet. If una no say matter, no let una talk put. Una not talk put. It matter. I see about it. He say Abba say na Monica na a friend. Abba say na Monica. I bet Mona share this video make it better. All the people when I mention in name, Mona put all of their picture. Now me tell you, Mona put all of their picture. You say you the repair community. You say you are saying the truth. Now you are talking truth. You are talking calibers. Two questions I mean they ask you now. The time when Monica had to ambush, come out for live video. Say man and woman not be the girl picking me. They go bring CNN paper. You know see him. He did for YouTube. You know say me they follow the whole YouTube. I dey follow the I dey watch it, but I know they watch live video. I know they watch live video, but I dey follow the whole YouTube. You know say when that I'm born, I make me come like YouTube. You with the press red, with the press red. So I bet Mona make una write your name for me when I block am today. Where the press Apollo, so Mona you write your name for me when I block am. No, that's no like better thing. No like better thing. If you be man now, you be man. Your naked picture there for YouTube since 2 years. You be woman. Your naked picture there for YouTube since 2 years. How will you feel? You know, not say some women picture come out that they nobody put them for YouTube. They only talk about the matter. No, they not put them for YouTube. But man like una, Pikin go come meet her. A grand Pikin go come meet her. Monica put a picture for YouTube naked next to today. I not see person where they talk. None of una they talk about that matter. Iye ki 2 billion, iye ki 10 naira, iye ki 100 million. Since when I come this Facebook, I never quarrel with person personally on my own. Now waiting not good. Now they try to tell you and say not good. What is good, what is bad. You know, say my papa tell me say person where they talk truth. People know they like him. People know they like him. If you don't like me, you don't like me. You know, say if I come Benin, I know they come Benin again. I go stay for Okada, Igbenejon village. I go stay for there. If Igbenejon village, they even they see lights. They see lights for there. They sleep lights. I don't say I tell you yesterday. Say me na Sierra Leone now. I feel your commode now. I go be 2 rooms. I go be there for Sierra Leone. I go stay for there. Una no know say some people where be Yoruba wey come stay for Benin, they no know their Yoruba place again. Now Yoruba they come dey. Now you no know say our Benin people dey for Abidjan. Now there come be their home. Now there come be their house. Now there for born. Now there for born everything else with the born pikin for Europe. You know even don't know whether those states they exist again. I'll go BS for Sierra Leone. But what do you mean they can't ask you Bush Lion? Now 2 questions I asked you since morning. Since morning when I entered this thing, I want to stop now for the next stop. I said there is the next stop and they call this video. I beg, man like you, Monica, I don't put a nakedness for YouTube. He doesn't carry man and woman. Their picture there for YouTube. He says they go do DNA test. Because of money, none of them they talk truth again. Because of money, or maybe person not talk to, or maybe person not curse you now. No, they talk truth again. Yes, my people. Before I go stop, when I could play this music for now, when I come out. Mona press like and love. Mona press, I like your team. Mona press and make them know. You don't see they say that they block. Yes. So when I call the video, later in the evening I'll come and come address the world. For Papa Wala matter, I'll come address the world. So I beg any of una wey dey there, mo to work quarrel not the born better pikin. quarrel no dey make us dey get better thing for community. I come address the world. I beg. Anything we don fit pass, anything we don fit happen, make we put am for ground, make we focus on our life, make we face our lane, make we dey do better things. All those disgrace wey we dey give ourselves for the community, wey dey make us dey see us finish, make us dey talk to us. If una see the whole video wey the people wey dey for Nigeria do this season, they count us, all of us, say all of us na one. Say I see the one where Albert Isidu say that they give us injection. I beg, make we check for all the more deviate away from all those bad character. I'll come address the world later. But for now, I dey go work. Now just short video now. I say when I call your way, reply Bush Lion. Why I say when I reply Bush Lion, I know say dey for inside bush since then. You never come out for inside bush. Once when you come out for inside bush now I start to talk. If you say you not dey for inside bush as he call himself Bush Lion, you supposed to know say man like nakedness dey for Monica YouTube since 2 years. Now in dey come and come dey talk say make dem no put J-Boy picture, make dem no put J-Boy picture. What of all those pikin wey Monica dey cause since then? All those pikin wey Monica dey disgrace since then? All those papa wey Monica dey disgrace since then? You no see am? I sure say you dey for inside bush now. Now when you come out for inside bush now you just jump into the matter. So I not gonna curse you now. If it's I not gonna curse you now. You come make you enlighten. I can't direct you as I direct Albert yesterday because Albert Obasa say Monica na a friend. As I see the video for Zuckerberg, as I dey go for inside Zuckerberg, I can't see the video. Now me I can't come out, can't talk with her say man like can we be friend? Where about be friend? The man pictures nakedness see there for YouTube. Where Grand Pikin go come meet. His step Pikin go come meet am. I don't know how the thing they talk and one no go cut my tongue. Now I say I can't tell you too. As I tell about yesterday, one I can't tell you. Since this morning, I told her una friend. No, na friend. Mona tell her that picture may go come out and for there. That nakedness picture. The nakedness of women for this period that day, nobody put them for YouTube. We talk to everybody. They come out and for YouTube. Since Monica and your friend Bush Lion, as they say, Ekiolia. Ekiolia 1 million. Ekiolia 10 million. Your way they talk yesterday. You say you be man. You know you see the truth. Bush Lion may tell the truth. Mona tell her may go remove that nakedness picture. Wait there for YouTube. Not be waiting good. So that's why I dropped the video this morning. I beg the one when I talk when it good plus the one when I talk when not good. Mona pardon me. Mona put her for granted. They say if they not talk to Benin man don't know what he was supposed to do. Me they tell una na sister na una friend. That nakedness picture when they for YouTube. May go drop am. So solo of shine your eye. My mama say why not to talk because the way I take plan your matter before. That your BS song after they sleep song they put the throw away. Solo shine husband. The way I take plan your matter before, if I dey talk to you, your peers go dey pull the throw away. You go dey pull the throw away. But I wan well tell you say, if man with woman dey quarrel, the woman wey you marry now, if I get man when you follow, if they quarrel, not be your right to come out, come dey messian, come dey talk pra. The one wey you fit do for the pikin, do one for am. The one wey you no fit do, you quiet. No be you can't come out, can't they run your mouth, now they tell you be good man. If you be good man enough, solo, you know, first woman not go born for you, go come out. Second woman go born for you, go come out. You marry black, you marry white, no one stay with you. If you be good man, you say, you know, as you can't talk for live video, say you can pay the school fee, you can pay the food. If you be good man, first woman not come out for your hand. Second woman not come out for your hand. Say na third one you want to come marry so. So that's why I drop my knees. I say I don't want to talk to you before the way I take plan your matter before. I say your BS go to put it through because I did waka yesterday. Person can call me say lovely Eyukoyame my fire brigade. The woman when I fell in love with, the woman when I like, when I dey dream, they see every night, every morning. Say they talk my matter, now I go there. You just as I go there, I click and you talk to me direct. Not be say they send the video come for me. Say they can't send the video for me now. As you see me, you can't talk to me direct. It's the way they talk to me. Now woman when I love right from time when I like. Now I say as you tell me I go put water for ground. You know not see the way I take the talk since. Solo, shine your husband. The way I take plan your matter before. Where you go listen for the video when I want give you before the video when I want give you. You know what it be to poto shit. You go come out for your mind. Go make. So that's why I just drop a this for you this morning. So my people, if my pattern change from now go, my pattern change. Make una not vex. But that one not say if I see truth when I not come talk am because my mama don't talk to me yesterday. My queen don't talk to me. So now so I drop the matter this make una not vex anyone when I talk when I not talk to Mama Gladys. Mama Gladys, I need your number. Anybody will get Mama Gladys number. May send that for me. But I don't hear yesterday person saying get time. E pardon mo wa to baba. Wa yo pa wo manu wa yiva wo manu. Ke we ke na video boy we dagbon wa. Oge no ma oga so obo we oga so obo uta. Wa gbogbo uguri e o magiri ugbonu we gbo magiri e wa ya to eri dropping matter na so we now. So that one not say if I see truth we are not going to talk, but the way you know say in our Benin parable say if you don't take iron hand all Benin people they know they change. I don't rest my case, but wait till I come make Bush Lion understand. If you never know, may go cross check Iyeki Monica Atuwade may go cross check the video. Man like me in nakedness picture gave for a YouTube till today. Monica just nuisance. He just spoil many women. They not they stay for husbands again. We are not seeing at that time and now come they talk. So the community where truth no day is no good. I beg all of una. More of us change our character. No do lay good foundation for Pekin. More teach our Pekin good foundation. Una feel they see me see the way they talk to una now. But Pekin when I get for house, he know say a papa is 100% capable to speak to people will understand, and to correct people to understand. Anyway, I think the correct people, you know, say it's the best that I'm doing. So I'm just dropping this message this morning. Please shine your eye, husband. Shine, husband. You do a very big mistake. The way I say I want to come out for you before, no be I take on come out so. If I come out to poto she go to come out for your munyans before, because you do what you're not supposed to do. So that's why I drop the message. I see where people go talk to you, go reply them. I pray may you reply me. I pray may you reply me, Shine husband. Because all people don't talk to you, don't reply them. Little one I can't drop, so I pray may you reply me. Then when I can't talk to you, I just beg my mama, you come out for live video. I say, look, there you can me, my fire brigade. I beg, I want to talk to this man. So now so I drop the video reach. From here go now, no say today na Saturday. From here go now, people with the packet outside train. Anyone when I press I like your thing, whether I know where they when I press I like your thing from me, now when I press on when they do me like this, they say be your brother's keeper. When I don't want to be my keeper. When I press like I like your thing. I beg make una subscribe go Prophet Atiti Talk Show. Now so I drop the video reach. Any I take drop on this morning, when I take them for me. This my head. I told una say long. Una see am. Una know the reason when I put on. If you say I want fight just now, I for tell una the reason when I put this cap. As my head long so, I for tell una the reason. So no need to tell una the reason. I just can't drop this message. Una God go bless una this morning. All of una gonna take Pekin. Gonna take a husband. The one wey get husband, woman when you get husband, when you get husband, you no get character, change your character. Man no dig for outside the girl. No say Curtis, Ducky, the one with the okay finish. So the one we come there for Europe now, anyone wey you jam hold am well. Vale, gracias. Anyone wey you jam hold am well, my sisters. Make una change una character, una dey behave well. Una still know say people like us get as we dey do our things. The video when I wan drop, I don drop and God go bless all of una. Both people when I talk to, God go bless una. Both people when I not talk to, God go bless all of una. More join together, more repair the community. If you no repair am now, they are papa all of the quiet. They not talk, they not talk, they not talk. The community, both governor, president, all of them come worst till today. Now when we don't get the opportunity of platform, you know say before you come out for telling like this, you go pay every money. Zugabet, oh, Zugabet, you do well, Zugabet can come, as it don't come. This media, it get power. Now because of things not good for us, none of us dey for Europe. None of us dey pack. Many people die from the sea. Many people die for sea. Now when we don't get this platform, we're supposed to use and do better things. Me now, I'm not supposed to be quarrel now because of the character I want to behave. Me now, native daughter, I'm not supposed to be quarrel because of dubious character I want to get. Now I follow now for it. I beg, we will change our character. The kind name where people come today describe us now no good. Before Easter Day, Easter Friday, I come beg all of now. We put this disgrace for ground. This disgrace. Una see what una do for Easter period, Benin people. Easter period, right from Easter Friday, Benin people. Una see what the disgrace. This one already be worst disgrace when I can't give una land. The time when they select our Baba God. Me, John, I not come out myself because I can't tell una say what una they do not good. What una they do not good. What una they do not good. When I press the notification bell, when I press the light or thing, so una bye bye. God will bless all of us. Later I will see.